Are you looking for the top 5 best hammock chairs for ultimate relaxation? I bought and tested these hammock chairs so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After trying each of these products for a few weeks, I can share the real deal experience that'll help you find the perfect spot to unwind, whether it's indoors or outdoors. Product number 1, Exterio Hanging Hammock Chair Swing. Let me tell you about my experience with the Exterio Hanging Hammock Chair Swing. When I first set it up in my living room, I was instantly struck by how inviting it looked. The black cotton blend and spacious design really made it stand out. I plopped down, and with the built-in footrest, I felt like I was cradled in comfort. This chair is not just a seat, it's an experience. The swaying motion took me back to my childhood, swinging under the trees, and it was perfect for cozying up with a book or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Now, the pros. First, the weight capacity is impressive, supporting up to 440 pounds. I felt completely secure, even with my friends joining me for a swing. The installation was a breeze. Everything you need is included, so I didn't have to make an extra trip to the hardware store. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to relocate from my living room to the patio for some fresh air. However, it's important to note a couple of cons. The cotton material, while breathable, might require some care to maintain its condition over time, especially if exposed to the elements. Also, while it's spacious, taller individuals might want to check the dimensions to ensure it suits their height. So why should you buy this? If you're searching for a versatile hanging chair that can be used both indoors and outdoors without sacrificing comfort, the Exterio Hammock Chair is a fantastic choice. It's product number 2, Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair. The Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair is my next pick, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. When I first sat in it, I was amazed at how roomy it felt. 31.5 inches of seat width is no joke. The high back and adjustable features made it easy to customize my comfort level. Whether I was lounging at the beach or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this chair provided the perfect support. It even has a pillow back that cradled my head just right. Now onto the pros. Not only is it oversized and comfy, but it also supports up to 400 pounds, which adds peace of mind. The quick setup is incredibly convenient. I could pop it open in seconds with an audible click to confirm it was secure. The cup holder and side pocket were lifesavers for keeping my drink and snacks close at hand. On the flip side, the chair is a bit heavy at 15 pounds, which makes it slightly less portable than I'd like for long hikes. Plus, some might find the blue color a bit too bold for their taste, but I think it adds a fun pop. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable camping chair that doesn't skimp on comfort, the Timber Ridge Hammock Chair is worth every penny. It's perfect for family outings. Product number 3, Chihi Hammock Chair. Next up is the Chihi Hammock Chair, and wow, it's a sight to behold. When I first saw the natural white color and soft spun cotton design, I knew it would fit beautifully in my garden. It took me no time at all to hang it up, and let me tell you, as soon as I plopped down, I felt like I was floating. The gentle sway was soothing, perfect for winding down after a long day. The pros are abundant with this chair. The craftsmanship is evident, with strong stitching and a sturdy frame making it super safe to use. The extra long footrest meant I could fully stretch out, and the breathable mesh kept me cool during warmer days. I also appreciated how easy it was to set up and store. It came with a carrying bag, making it portable for trips. However, I did find a couple of drawbacks. The weight capacity is lower than some of the other chairs, maxing out at 120 kilograms, which might be a concern for larger users. Additionally, its collapsible design, while good for storage, means it might not feel as sturdy as fixed frame options. So why should you consider the Chihi Hammock Chair? If you're after a stylish, comfortable, and portable option for relaxing, whether indoors or outdoors, this chair is a fantastic choice. It adds a touch of elegance to any space while providing the comfort you... Product number 4, Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair with adjustable backrest. The next product I tested is another gem from Timber Ridge, the Hammock Camping Chair with adjustable backrest. This chair caught my attention with its heavy-duty design. As soon as I sat down, I could feel the padded fabric wrapping around me like a warm hug. The adjustable backrest was a game changer, allowing me to find that perfect angle for lounging. Whether I was reading a book or napping, it made all the difference. Let's talk pros. The chair supports up to 300 pounds and is built with sturdy steel, giving me confidence in its durability. The auto-lock system was reassuring, ensuring I felt stable while sitting. It's also portable, coming with a carry bag, which makes it easy to take on camping trips or to the beach. Plus, the built-in cup holder was a thoughtful touch, keeping my drink within arm's reach. On the downside, I did find that it was a bit heavier than I expected at 15 pounds, which could be cumbersome for longer treks. Additionally, while it's marketed as portable, it might not fit easily into smaller car trunks due to its size when folded. In conclusion, if you want a chair that combines comfort and portability for outdoor adventures, the Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair is a solid choice. Product number 5, Advocare Hammock Chair Swing. Finally, let's dive into the Advocare Hammock Chair Swing. As soon as I set this up on my porch, it instantly transformed the space into a cozy retreat. The blue and white color scheme is visually appealing and fits seamlessly into any setting. When I sat down, I was immediately impressed by the sturdy design. It felt incredibly safe, supporting up to 500 pounds, which is great for families. Pros? There are many. The steel spreader bar provides stability, and I loved the ergonomic design, ensuring comfort while reading or enjoying a leisurely afternoon. The side pocket was a fantastic addition, keeping my essentials close and organized. Plus, the setup was straightforward, requiring no additional hardware. Just loop, hang, and enjoy. However, as much as I loved it, I found that the fabric isn't weatherproof, so I had to bring it inside during rain, which could be inconvenient. Also, while it's machine washable, I was cautious about its longevity with frequent washes. So why should you buy the Advocare Hammock Chair Swing? If you're looking for a heavy-duty, stylish chair that can turn any corner of your home or garden into a relaxation haven, this is it. It's perfect for families or anyone who simply wants a secure. In conclusion, each of these hammock chairs brings something unique to the table, whether you're looking for comfort, portability, or style. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision on which chair to add to your relaxation repertoire. Happy swinging!